This is very well. Now we are on setting of window 10. This is most important, and we click on over start menu, this one, and this is over setting. Click on your setting, and you can watch this. Now this one is a Windows setting, and this one is a system displays notification and powers. You click on this. This is the display. This is about your display of the screen. Like suppose we are here night light, then this is the over system is there, brightness is on and off, and it is set at there is a different in night time and daytime. Next one is a scale and layout over text size and the app size. There I am here is 100% recommended. You can change this one. This is the expand, and you can watch the size is large. Also if you click on this, this is also be more large. I am go back to 100%, and this is best for us. Next one is the resolution of the screen. If you click any of the resolution, then the screen is readjust. Sometime there is a problem in this due to there are driver, but window 10 automatically update when you connected with internet. And this one is a orientation is landscape. You can change this one, and this one you can watch here, but I don't want to make this one. I reset this one again. Then this one is the multiple display. Multiple display, we click to detect, don't detect another display. We have no other display in this system now. This is the display slide. If you are on notification and action, this one is a notification and action, and this is the shortcut. If you use the Windows mobile phone, you can watch this setting, and this setting is also be here in window 10. This is in tablets mode, tablets modes, and this one is the note and network. Tablets mode mean to change the setting in this way. If here is the these things are the quick notification, you watch on the corner of this no new, you click on this and you watch this one. These all things are here, the shortcut all settings. Note, if you want to write down anything, you click on this. There is a network setting, like if you connect your internet with computer, then you use this option. And if you change the mode of the your system like this, you watch this system mode is changed, and if you click here, you watch the another way. Here is also be seen your keyboard. I change this setting again to this one. And the next one is this quit hours. Quit hours mean to no receive you any call or anything else from internet. This is the Nightlight. This save your energy, and this is not good for over this is good for over laptop, or you can watch this one. If you click on this, the light is changed, and over this is the VPN and the project. You can see this one. This is their projection and display, extend, and this one. If you click, this is extend and change their setting. And this one is connected to here is internet connection. This is here if you want to connect. Here I click on notification on and off, but if you want to this is notify to you if you use Windows 10 mobile phone and anyone SMS to you, then the SMS will also be open in your computer if you your notification is on and you use 2 or 3 devices and with the same email ID. Then the same email ID is on, then everything you use also be seen in your mobile phone or any other laptop or tablets. This one is the show notification on the lock screen, and if you want to show your notifications and some reminder and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. Notification we are displaying my screen, and this is get tips and tricks suggest for you to window 10. This will provide you some tricks within time when you connect with the internet. And this one, this is show me the window welcome experience after update, and when your window is automatically update, and first of all they notify you, and when you update this one, and this is shown in your notification. Get notification from these. This one is all notification about this one. If you anyone use or choose this software and any update about any of these software, then the system is notify you, and if you off this one, there is a no notification for you. The all apps are here that's you use. Next is a power and sleep. This will if you are using your system and you want to you sometime you watch on your screen. If you don't touch your computer for few minutes, then the computer is say going to sleep. If you want to minimize this timing or maximize, then you click on this and choose your time as you want. If you want to and you don't want to off your computer without any clicking, then you choose the never option. I have choose only 10 minutes here. This is the sleep time option is a 10-minute and related setting, additional power setting, and this one. Next is the storage. This is the most important here. The storage, your hard disk space. This is about hard disk space. You click on this one and you watch. Here is a 3 partitions of the hard disk, and this is here. If you want to increase your storage and you have some apps that is not necessary for you, you should have to delete that one and refresh your computer and restart it. This one, if you click, you can watch all of the applications, and any of these application, if you want to watch more, like this one, the temporary files, then you click on this and this will open. Maybe this will take a few time. I want to go back, but it is take time. Okay viewer, this video is a very long, and now I will brief you something more in next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.